minutes. I'll keep here. And this very cute. 15 BD. Oh my god, very expensive. This is expensive. New outfit. I'll try this. I'll try this AJR. I remove my earring. Hi, Greg. Thank you, Greg. I'm trying this. My friend gave me gift. It's 5 earrings. Yeah, she gave me 5 earrings, and this, I don't know if it's good. I'm so lucky. She's not my she's not my longtime friend. We just met in the bus. She told me someone gave me gift and I didn't like it, and she gave me also shampoo, and she gave me shampoo and toothpaste. I don't know why she gave me. Yeah, see, Greg. Not only this, Greg. So many. This one. And I saw the price. It's very expensive. Here also. Really, I checked the price. It's very expensive. I don't know why she gave all one bag. She gave me one bag. And this one, it's a pearl and ring. And this one also gold. We just meet always in the bus. Only we meeting, only we meet in the bus. She's lady. She told me, yeah, she's very nice, really. Last time also she gave me sandwich. She said, "Don't buy." I told her I don't have toothpaste. She said, "No, don't buy. I will give you toothpaste." And she gave me toothpaste and shampoo and one bag of jewelry. She's Filipino. I don't know why she gave me all of this. And one ring, I know. Very nice, this ring. And all it's new. Greg, all it's new. And all have fries. This prices. And this still have fries. But hi Mansoor. Gosh, good evening. The most expensive one, she gave me this one. Very expensive. I don't know what's wrong to her. This is the expensive one she gave me. And it still have fries. It's like for wedding earring. Someone gave me gift. It's one bag. It's all like accessories. Earring and necklace. So I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed that I found good friend. Even she's my new friend. She's my new friend. Only